Welcome! In this tutorial video, we will explore the PIX4Dfields dashboard, the first screen you see when opening the software. The dashboard enables you to manage and interact with projects that have been processed on this computer. To open a project, click on the corresponding card. To view a project's settings, click on the gear icon next to a project. In the sidebar, you can change the project's name and add a description. You can classify projects by crop type and variety, or organize your dashboard based on client, organization, or farm. Assigning values here will allow you to better organize projects in the dashboard. If you are contacting PIX4D technical support for assistance, please export and include the log files. To close the sidebar, click the X or anywhere else on the dashboard. The drop-down menus here enable you to customize the organization of your projects. The question mark opens the Help and Resources sidebar. Here, you can see the version code and license information, as well as several helpful links. Click the gear icon to open the settings menu. Here you can change the units, language, and base map, as well as where the data will be stored. If your camera is not included in the database, you can upload a custom file here for processing. Finally, you can customize the PDF report from this menu. To create a new project, click New Project or the plus icon at the bottom right of the dashboard. The folder where projects are saved is displayed here. We hope this tutorial video on the PIX4Dfields dashboard was helpful. See you in the next one.